Hello guys, today's topic is excretion in humans. Like another life process, excretion is also one important life process for our human body. So first of all, we will see that what is excretion. So excretion is the process of removal of toxic wastes from the human body is called excretion. So excretion is the process of removal of toxic wastes from the body of any organism. Here we were talking about the human, so we will tell that human's body, and this process is known as the excretion. Now we will see about the excretory system. Yes, here I am showing you the excretory system of human beings. So what are the part of excretory system of human beings? These two kidney, that means one pair of kidney, one pair of ureter, bladder and urethra. One pair of kidney, one pair of ureter, bladder, urethra, and also renal vein and renal artery. These are the part of human excretory system. So the main part of human excretory system is one pair of kidney. The kidneys are bean-shaped organs towards the back of our body, just above the waist. Each kidney is made up of large number of excretory unit called nephron. So now we will see about the nephron. The Bowman capsules and the tubule taken together make a nephron. This is this capsule part, this is the Bowman capsule, and the tubule part, total tubule part is the tubule. So this Bowman capsule and tubule make a nephron add together. One end of tubule is connected to the Bowman capsule and the another end of tubule is connected to the urine collecting duct. The Bowman capsule contain a bundle of blood capillaries. These blood capillaries known as glomerulus. These blood capillaries, the bundle of blood capillaries known as the glomerulus. We have already known that nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney. That means nephron is the filter of our dirty blood. Now we will see how nephron is functioning. One end of glomerulus is attached to the artery vein, which artery vein brings the dirty blood containing the urea and other waste materials into it. The other end of glomerulus attached to the kidney vein or renal vein. So the other end of glomerulus comes out of Bowman's capsule as a blood capillaries and surrounded around the tubule of nephron and finally joins into the renal vein. Now this glomerulus will do the main function of filtering the blood. So which blood will pass through glomerulus, that will be filtered. Only the small molecules of substances present in blood like glucose, amino acid and salt and urea and water pass through the glomerulus and collect as filtered in Bowman's capsule. So when the dirty blood will pass through the glomerulus, then the small molecule will comes out and stored in the Bowman's capsule and takes entry into the tubule. But no big molecules like protein will comes into, so they will left behind into the blood and will go to the artery vein. Now the tubule of nephron will reabsorb the useful substances like glucose, amino acid, salts and water into the blood capillaries. So thus dirty blood will filtered and go back to the body, and the waste materials like some water, urine and another nitrogen based waste material will comes into the urine collecting duct and go to the ureter go to the bladder through ureter. Next we will see what is the function of excretory system. Up to this we have already understood that what is the function of excretory system: to remove the waste materials from our body, and that's done by the one pair of kidney. If we have seen the kidney has stopped its working, then what will happen? If any person's kidney may stop working, then we can take a measure like we can transplant kidney. The best long-term solution for kidney failure is the kidney transplant. But sometimes it is not possible. So for that what we can do? We can do one thing more, that is dialysis process. Here we can see one woman which having the damage of kidney and she is putting here in the dialysis. So what is dialysis, that we will see now. Next we will see what is dialysis. Dialysis is the procedure used for cleaning the blood of a person by separating the waste substances from it is called dialysis. The dialysis machine made of long tubes of selectively permeable membrane like cellulose, which are coiled in a tank containing dialysis solution. The dialyzing solution contains water, glucose and salts in similar concentration to those in normal blood. As the patient's blood passes through the dialysis solution, most of the wastes like urea present in it pass through the selectively permeable cellulose tubule into the dialyzing solution. The clean blood is pumped back into a vein of the patient's arm. Here you can see a dialyzer clearly. Next we will discuss about some important questions regarding this topic. First question, name the two waste products of the human body which are produced in the body cells. Answer can be urea, uric acid. What is the role of glomerulus in the kidney? The function of glomerulus is to filter the blood passing through it. Bowman's capsule and tubule taken together make what? Nephron. The organs which extract the nitrogen wastes from the blood are kidney. Name the excretory unit of a kidney is nephron. What do kidneys excrete? Waste material like urea. What does the bladder in our body do? The bladder is a bag which stores urine. What is the name of the tubes which connect the kidneys to bladder? Ureter. Name the main waste which passes into the dialyzing solution. Answer will be urea. Of what substance are the dialyzing tube made? Cellulose. Some long questions can be come from here. These are: define excretion. What is the function of excretory system? Describe the mechanism of urine formation. Draw a label diagram to illustrate your answer. Draw a label diagram of the excretory system. What is the meant by dialysis? What type of patient can be put on the dialysis? Draw a label diagram of nephron. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel.